Right. So -3 maps onto what number? Look, the arrow is right there. I'm going to use the arrow to map. -3 maps onto what number? -3 maps onto -4. -3 maps onto -4. That's why they call it a mapping diagram. You're mapping. Okay? You know, you're making an association. You're linking up -3 towards -4. Can anybody tell me in your own words what to do? So she's correct. She said -3 maps onto -4. So I keep on repeating the answers because you know when you're replaying the video, you're not hearing the answers of the student. So can somebody please tell me something? What must I do with that arrow? She said to put the arrow on -2, make it start on -2, put it on -2, and make it map onto 1. Do you all see that? -2 maps onto 1. So that's what she said. Correct. What must I do with this arrow now? So it says put it on -1, and -1 maps onto 4. All right, so that's what it says. Very correct. You put it on -1 and it maps onto 4. Okay. You put it on -1 and it maps onto 4. Can somebody please tell me what to do with this arrow now? We put it on 1. What about 0? Yeah, let's go in order. So we put it on 0, and where do we map it onto? 0 maps onto 5, yes? So 0 maps onto 5. We need another arrow. Where should I put that arrow? On 1, right? On 1, and where must it map onto now? Right, 1, domain of 1 maps onto a range of 1, or 4, sorry. 1 maps onto 4. Here it is, 1 maps onto 4. The domain is 1. The domain is 1. The range is 4. Now, you say, but where the 4? Look, there's another 4 there already, so we don't have to write another 4. Right. So do you all see that many mapping onto 1? Many mapping onto 1. That's a many to 1. Many, the -1 and the 1 mapping onto 1, the single 4. Many to 1. Okay, so you can see the many to 1 happening. The next domain there is 2, isn't that so? 2 maps onto 1, isn't that so? So 2 maps onto 1, here it is, many mapping onto 1. So that's why this is called a many to 1, because many domains mapping onto 1 range. All right, bear that in mind. Many domains mapping onto 1 range. 3. 3 is a domain. Let's put it by 3. 3 maps onto -4. 3 maps onto -4. So here you have many mapping onto 1. And this is the completion of this first question in assignment 13. It says, draw a mapping diagram to show that the function g is a many to 1. And here it is. And it's something like that you're going to get for the assignment question. Here it is. Okay. And you're going to get something just like that, many mapping onto 1. So just repeat this for assignment 13 for the first question. Okay.